Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for March 11 to 17, 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. Thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. And of course, like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And please check out my Shopee. Available ng mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, let's see your energies for the week, Aries. March 11 to 17. 12th house. This is about your subconscious mind. Maaring nagkakaroon kayo ng spiritual awakening. You are trying to figure things out. Marami kang gustong matutunan about spirituality. This is also about healing from your past. May pagka-spiritual ang week mo. Week nyo ngayon, Aries. You have the 7th house, which is about relationships, partnerships. So, maaring isa yan sa bibigyan mo ng attention this week, yung mga connections mo, marriage, romantic partner, ayan. And then also 5th house, which is about your passion. Oh, okay. So, this is your creative side. Maaring meron ka ring i-explore na creative side mo, no? Na tipong magagamit mo yung iyong talents, yung skills mo, yung abilities mo, yung passion mo. So, at the same time, you are also earning money from it or nakakakuha ka ng fulfillment. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron ditong nagkakaroon kayo ng deep connection with someone, romantically. Ito yung tipong hindi kayo seryoso nung una, tapos eventually nakilala mo tong taong to ng mas malalim. So ngayon, gusto nyo na ng seryosong relationship. You're getting serious na sa commitment. Let's see, ano pa, Aries, a message in a bottle. Maaring meron kayong message or balita, galing sa ibang bansa. Pwedeng romantic partner nyo to, mahal sa buhay, kaibigan, na merong very important na mensahe na darating. Oy, meron siyang padalang regalo. Baka meron kayong gifts na marireceive from ibang bansa, Pwedeng PR package, pwede rin namang regalo ng isang kaibigan, mahal sa buhay. You're also focusing on improving yourself. Yung iba sa inyo, kung dati hindi kayo madalas mag-ayos-ayos, ngayon you are really grooming yourself. Gusto nyo maayos ang buhok nyo, maayos ang pananamit nyo, every time na kayo lumalabas. And there may also be mga admirers, around you. Dahil kayo ay very attractive. Let's see. Overall energy for you this week. The 5 of Cups. May malungkot. Bakit? Ba't kayo malungkot, Aries? Merong regrets or may losses? Parang feeling nyo may nawala sa inyo or iba nalugi. Ano to? What is the 5 of Cups? The Fool. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong pinagsisisihan na hindi nyo sinubukan. Yung tipong hindi kayo nag-take ng risk, hindi kayo sumugal. Oo. So, yung iba siguro cryptocurrency yan, Kasi ang taas na ngayon ng Bitcoin, 'di ba? Parang ganon. Yung tipong meron kang missed opportunity. Yun yung feeling mo. But, lagi namang merong iba pang pagkakataon. So, maaring hindi para talaga sa'yo yun. Kailangan ma-realize mo rin na meron ka pang ibang options, no? Oo, hindi porket may nawala sa yung iba, ibig sabihin wala na lahat. Meron pa rin, ayan o, hindi mo lang napapansin. Kasi busy ka doon sa mga nawala sa'yo, na tipong wala ka na magagawa. But you still have an opportunity to start again, no, with the full card. Let's see your challenge. Tingnan natin challenge ng mga Aries. The challenge. Two of Pentacles. Maaring maging challenge sa inyo ang pagiging busy ninyo, yung mga oras, panahon nyo sa trabaho, career, business. Masyadong madami. Oo. Maaring marami kayong gagawin ngayong week na to. Two of Wands. Decision making. Ito yung priorities, no? So, dapat you know your priorities, alin yung mas uunahin mo para lahat ma-accomplish mo. Kasi, di ba, yung iba dyan, iba't ibang deadline naman yan eh. So, ito maganda i-prioritize mo kasi kailangan na to, or yung isang bagay, pwede naman sa makalawa na lang, mga ganon. Para ma-manage mo yung oras mo. Let's see your opportunity. Ano yung opportunity ng mga Aries? Uy, the Sun. Clarity, vitality. So, may opportunity kayo ngayon na maging very energetic, no? Ngayong week na to. You are also very creative, no? Like what I mentioned kanina with the 5th house. So, meron kang opportunity to explore your other options, yung mga iba mo pang pwedeng maging libangan na in the end, pwede mo siyang maging negosyo. 'Di ba? Ganyan eh. Yung ibang mga negosyo kasi nag-start yan as a hobby, no? Tapos eventually, naging negosyo nila or source of income. May Queen of Cups. So, this is your creativity. Kasi ang Cups is about feminine energy, which is about creation. So, I think for some of you, Aries, mas creative kayo this time. Yung iba, merong opportunity to have a baby. So, your blessing is the 3 of Cups. Meron kang mga celebration this week. Yung iba may mapupuyat. Itong pagpupuyat naman na to, I think this is something positive kasi may siya, may mga may dahilan, may magandang dahilan kaya ka nagpupuyat. Dahil meron kang blessings na natatanggap. Merong mga, yung iba may mga parties, may mga events na pupuntahan. So, just make sure talaga to manage your time. Okay? Manage your time, your energy, para lahat yan mapuntahan mo, ma-accomplish mo. So, your money, career, finances, empowerment. Wow. You are very strong. You are going to join forces with someone. So, maaaring may collaboration with someone, working with other people, no? Para sa business, para sa career, para sa investment ninyo. Wow, 3 of Wands. This is exploration and expansion. Okay? So, maaring meron kang i-explore na ibang options sa trabaho mo, sa career mo, sa business mo. Yung iba abroad, no? Maaring kayo ay magkakaroon ng client abroad, or kayo ay mag-a-abroad. May tutulong sa inyo na makapagtrabaho sa ibang bansa. And for some of you na may business, no, meron kayong makakatuwang dito para mas lalo nyong mapalago yung inyong negosyo. So, sa love life naman, 11th house, friendship, community. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring magkakaroon kayo ng deeper relationship with your friends. May mga bagong kaibigan. You have the Knight of Pentacles. So, energy ito ng Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, I think for some of you, if you are in a relationship, yung iba stable yung relationship ninyo. If you are single, I also see you na, talking to others, connecting with other people, tapos parang may pinaprospect ka rito na gusto mo financially stable yung person na makakasama mo. Or person na ipupursu mo for a relationship. Ayan. So, kuha tayo ng final message for you, Aries. Final message for Aries. Let outward deeds and words match inner feelings. Ayan. So, kung ano raw yung pinapakita mo, yun din daw yung talagang nasa loob mo. It's like being more authentic to yourself and to other people. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. Bye.